Now, folks, here we are again with another quick unboxing. Trying not to spend too much time on unboxings these days and try to get into the meat and potatoes, but I know that a lot of people want to see what's in the box when the item comes, so they don't have to buy anything based on what does not come in the box or where they want to install it. So I'm going to go jump in this quickly. It's on my desk. Forgive the mess, but there's so many items here I'm working with. This is the EnGenius Cloud 7 2x2x2 indoor Wi-Fi tri-band access point. The model number is ECW520. Okay, take my trusty knife. I'm going to try to do this relatively quickly. As you can see in front of you, it's never been opened. All right, that knife away, and let's get into the box and let's see what's here. Let's see here. And the usual sort of egg crate tray from EnGenius. All right, this is how all of their devices, well, all of their access points come, not their switches. Their switches come in a different box, obviously, because of the size, but the egg crate is the normal way for their that they send their Wi-Fi access points. In here is usually the mounting, the QR code to the mobile app. Let me raise this so you can see it. Can you see it? Am I doing this right? Yeah, it's an overhead camera. Quick start guide, mobile app. I already have the app because I have most EnGenius equipment on my network, so that's easy enough. Here's the access point and the box. Now, there's nothing else in there. Okay, it's very important to note that this is a PoE, so if you want to do anything that's powered, you have to then get your own power adapter. These are PoE. Let's see what's in here real quick. And it's very simple. The mounting brackets, right? One goes on the wall, one goes on the back of the device. They're clipping, and the screws that put it in, that you use to mount it. Here you have the PoE device. It's got some weight to it, surprisingly heavier than some of their larger devices. It's solid metal on the back, an alloy. It's got the LAN port, the DC port, and the reset button. Again, this is, and I'm pretty sure this is PoE. What is strange is the LAN port usually says PoE. So if you give me a second here, I'm gonna pull this up on EnGenius's website because I want to make sure that I'm giving you the right information. And usually their access points recently have all been PoE, which is why they don't ship the adapter with it. So I'm on their website, and yes, must be powered over Ethernet, right? So you've got mounting holes here if you want to mount it, with your own screws in the wall. You've got the brackets here that slide into these slots. I don't know if I could put this straight up. You'll see there's some slots here. These slide down, one slide, into the other, and you're good to go. And you can easily separate them to remove this from the wall. What I don't like right off the top, I can tell you, is the fact that this should say PoE like the rest of them, because I actually stopped for a second. I will show you here that apart from the reset button, there's a power adapter which you have to buy separately. If you want to use this as a power adapter, you don't have a PoE source. So all of my switches are, except for maybe two now, are all EnGenius switches. Most of them have PoE, so that's not an issue for me. I will be using this to replace one from another brand that sits in my dining room. It's old, and I think EnGenius, I want all my network to be EnGenius because that's easier for me. So that's what I'll be using this for. So there you go, quick unboxing. The usual branding on the top on the LED here. Otherwise, you're looking at the EnGenius ECW520. Check in the description of this video. There will be a link to the full review when the review is published at the-gadgeteer.com. I'll see you in the next unboxing.